In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap a text in a circle or generate a text in a circular format without using the Photoshop and without having any skills. I'm going to do it with the help of a free tool that is available online, and for that you need to click on the first link given in the description below. It will take you to this website triogram.com and /curve text. So over here you would see this kind of an interface. You need to enter your text here. I'm just going to copy and paste a sample text, and from the top you can select the font of your choice. I would recommend that you take a sleek font which is visible easily. Now I have selected this honey script and I have entered my text, and from the third menu you can increase the font size or decrease, but while doing that you should make sure that there is an enough space between the letters, although you can adjust that from the bottom also. For example, if I increase this, now you can see that there are no spaces within these letters. What I can do is that I can increase the spaces by moving this letter spacing. And the next thing is the arc size. By increasing or decreasing, you can increase the radius of this circle in which this text is being wrapped. This one is the arc squeeze. It is self-explanatory. You can see that it is moving or squeezing the circle to one direction. Now letter spacing I have already shown you. Now as you can see that the text has gone below the page, so there is an option of moving it up or down. So you can bring that text to an upper position by moving this to up, and similarly you can move this to left and right, so to perfectly align that in the center. And you can also increase the height and width of the workspace. So once you're done with all the tweaking and you're satisfied with your circular text, you can just copy the image, or you can save image as, and you can save it as a PNG. Now as you can see that I have imported this image in Photoshop, and it is transparent, which means that you can place this circular text anywhere in your project, and it will not have any background. So this is how you can create a free text with the help of a free text generator online tool by entering your text here, selecting the font size and tweaking the settings and bringing the circular text as per your own desire. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel.